freedom.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting at iDiskiTimes.co.za. Polokwane City 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1 in the DSCB Premiership on a Saturday afternoon. Punemodi, man of the match, scored the winning goal. Decent goal, slightly outside the box. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs for the 3 points. Not a very good game of football from both sides, really, if you think about the style of play, the entertainment value and everything else. But the Kaizer Chiefs fans, of course, will be happy about the 3 points. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what do you make of the game, sir?
Nkululeko maprala kunjani futhi ngibulise Justice ngibulise umntana Ramasedi Machaka ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi ebafethi kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting on, try to fix South African football. Yeah, well done to Coach Kevin Johnson. Though ahlule game management, we need to be honest, fail kushaya ukudila ne game management, like this game ukudila nje nayo. We need to be honest, Nkululeko. Game for me very slow. Both teams very very slow. I'm not too sure because ukuthi Polokwane angazi. You can't have front three Kaizer Chiefs idlala njengama midfielder wala. You can't have midfielders who play like this front three. I mean, truly speaking, badlali 43 igame baapproachile today Chivavara siqale ngayo. You can't even press Polokwane City there. Uchite ngikhuluma ngomodi Saile. You can't press these defenders abafana abanqane labana compared to you lan khona, especially profile team. Manzo allow Polokwane City start the ball and then izmele ban pass the ball. Kungabi ne agents. How you gonna penetrate? How you gonna score? How you gonna create chances? I mean, in the middle you had two Mart. Kushukuthi umthetho no Mart more or less the same. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Mangabe lo mfana uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo uzobadlula yona ndibola eyafini yakhe. How they gonna score? How they gonna feed these three? Very very difficult, Nkululeko. I mean, Kevin Johnson, truly speaking, a team yakhe mele ayilungise le nto leyo. These three in the middle badlala nge-walking pace. No movement, no creativity. Walking pace. Ngikhuluma nga first half. No creativity, no movement. Kune hole. Ezinye izinto does need coaching. I think players, these are senior players. Ngikhuluma ngomthetho. Lo mfana lo Nkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo is been a while la 2019 or 2018 bampromotile. Is more or less now going to semi senior player now. Lo mchita must be responsible. Yes udlalile but ngeke udlale ngama patches. Today unama players lawa umthetho Mart. Nowhere to be seen. It defender occupy bowler. It defense. Now lo mfana lo Nkosi Ngiphile and then hiding walking. You're not gonna definitely you're not gonna be in charge of the game. And so bazopasana the back badlali long ball. Hoping ukuthi izoba second ball balwine mhlambe kini teammate yabo get a goal. That's why Kaizer Chiefs first half never had a shot on target. Ngikhuluma ku goalkeeper. Polokwane City because 31. I mean, the guy Apples, you can't as a coach. I think somebody need to help this coach. You can't have two front forward, left and right. Double right back and left back. I mean, there's no way team yako you can get chances usebenzisela ama chances. Utrope wonke umuntu ayeke strikers one up front. And Kaizer Chiefs behlushwa ile strikers one. I mean, you have to give Mashikinya in the middle without both attacking midfielders ngikhuluma in the middle. Given was playing defensive holding midfield, also a playmaker. Bekabambi bowler, wait for a right back yakhe iqhuphuke ngikhuluma ngo number 2. And then he plays first half when 2 crosses that they were so dangerous. This striker supposed to finish credit to positioning yakhe Bryce Vuma, but I think it was like right position. Lamapola la ngikhuluma ngalele enhloko nalo lele bicycle kick elishayipali wal fix la shayipali. It was very like none other than that. Both midfielders played the same. There was no way they can create so many chances first half. Walking pace without creativity, not even interchange, no movement of the ball, especially technical poor as well. Both teams in the middle, front three the same. Mreme is experienced player, former Pulen Tlolani. The guy had potential umfana. Nyamaz previously 5 years ago, 4 years ago, beginning potential, but now I'm gonna lack of pace. More talks on the field. Kanti umfana ngifuna ukuzibuza ukuthi pace yaphi. Ngimbonile namhlanje bamqalisa igame bamqedisa. I don't know for what, because of I think there was nowhere to be found. Lo mfana lo u-Apples he needed somebody ngoba ngimboni bekadlala ka left midfield yena umfana umrimi bekumele mangabe uyamrounda okanye joining him when he attacks, but there was nothing like that. Ka right bebane hope ye wing back le yabo, I think le guy beyenze up and down, wait for a right moment uMashikinya dlale behind the Chiefs ngoba ama wing back wabo ayahamba uHlanti and Frosa bebanathi hope ukuthi will catch them there, but ayispananga ngoba bekana number boxing bekhona the striker sub. Second half Kaizer Chiefs, I think the coach make rogue sub, that's why game management ibahlulile. I mean bringing Gonzalez, I think Manjuse came in, is coming on game S9 or 10 doing nothing, no energy. Shalile uyamaza akusi ball player, akusumuntu ozodlala na I1-2, but he's a goal voucher and he works, uyaspana. But this guy ngifuna ukwazi Gonzalez strength yakhe yini, ibamphasa shield balthathi alibela ne strength, a short player, shield, he can't protect the ball maramute, he can't even find his teammates. So I'm a support coach second half, I think Nkululeko almost costile in terms of game management ngoba Polokwane City they had clever players. They were supposed to get this game by rep.
I think the game was there for the taking for Polokwane City, to be honest. You kind of felt Uguti they needed 1 or 2 more players. You make a good point about Umuremi, that it was going to be him, no Apolis, that are helping with Douglas Mafumo, the striker, to have at least 3 players that are forwards, that are attacking. Without help, Apolis was not going to do it alone. I felt to go to Chiefs. When you look at it from the glasses of Polokwane City, if you're a fan, Polokwane City, they will feel like they could have got something from this game.
Yeah, both teams they didn't do nothing, but the Polokwane City based on 2 chances there it's first half. Bengne believe ukuthi second half mhlambe coach izobana this thing inida nje coaching, especially way approach game ngakhona first half based on my stats of first half. Bekumele nje atshele front three yakhe, but ka right he had no one. Yeah. Game yakhe bengekho balance. Iside eli1 lomjito wa Paul, but Mremi as experienced player udlala attacking. Nqetha lo mfana. Uyambona ukuthi is a boy okunika this thing going forward. Don't shy thinking umfana, he need to work. I think small sided more. Bamtshele liphase manje, bampose if mele bampose coaching and training, because uyambona one is energetic, une speed, is very skillful, but thinking yakhe la mela pass uyashaya. Makumela across a square pass, he just cross the ball edlula over lize liphumele ngale kube ikhona kick or throw in. So he needed support from Umreme, but he didn't have. Ngapha ka right they didn't have anyone. In the middle, Mashikinya you can't have him with ball players ayithula wena wabiza kanjalo uyicoach ku team list, but they didn't even function today. So Mashikinya big move holding midfield also, we expect to be playmaking. There's no way good game ngaba balance. The game was there for them to be taken right first half, based on first half. Chiefs didn't have one shot on target. Second half, the Chiefs individual brilliant. Yeah, Kelumchita. And again, next, he just ran direct. I mean, the guy, I see winger that is so skillful, but manga bambang step over stay tuze. La defend iphephilile wakuyo. Na credit to him ukuthi apambele goal ku first pole cause ulishaya line ya win. Zayo uye kule ngwenya ukhatha in, but the defender nya blame ukuthi imala ukuthi angene boxing ngoba ngenzanga next, and then walishaya. It was a goal. Nana ndethi game management joba ngisho, and ubengamelanga mkhiphe mina uNkosi Ngiphile Ncube. Kevin Johnson is a very good coach, but he's coaching a wrong team. I mean, these players, they can't fail. Ezinye azifuna coaching, game management, just move. Nani bachitani paze like hold unensimbi emiddle. I mean, unomthethwa, that is not a ball player. He can't even run from lang ebhola makabona ukuthi besachene aye ku area e right okanye abona bhoboze ukuthi la I need to take a shot. I need a coaching, experienced players. Never far that way. I mean, a leader and through like management, you could profile as a player that from development under 17, maybe promoted TTC, they bought them. I mean, these players bang disappointed in terms of management. But none of that credit to Kevin. Jobang issue team in wrong, but credit, yeah. We are born to Funabadale, but it doesn't have those type of players. It's team be right, but they want an individual brilliant, yeah.
There you go. That's Kaizer Chiefs winning against Polokwane City, 1-0. We spoke about this, of course, in our predictions. I mean, you're going to win. There's an expectation that you should be beating Polokwane City, even though it wasn't an easy victory for Kaizer Chiefs. In fact, I do think that Polokwane City will regret not having any urgency. They were 1-0 down. There was no urgency from Polokwane City, and Chiefs were there for the taking because their defenders and they lack discipline. If you look at the movement, Gadove, he finds himself on the left wing forward, even though he's a centre back, and those are moments where you should be capitalizing. Leave someone on that space, break them on the counter, and be able to capitalize on that. They will look at this Polokwane City and feel that at least a draw or at least a win would have been suffice for them. But Kaizer Chiefs win, and they get the 3 points as well. So it's back-to-back matches as they are winning. But there's still a general problem with the style of play, how urgent they are, how dominant they are in the midfield, how their front three is dominating defenders. It's not clear. Like, there's nothing that has happened so far. It is good TV, it is good times. World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.